Hello, my name is Susan, and I'm your teacher here at Booked Up English. Let's learn a red word. Red words are special because we stop to think about them. You will need a notebook and a pencil. Make flashcards to practice. Use a red marker or pencil to help your brain learn these words. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's special red word is any. Listen. Any. Say it. Any. Spell it. A-N-Y. Any. A-N-Y. Any. Let's write it. A-N-Y. Any. A-N-Y. Any. Thanks for learning today. Review all the red words using the link in the comments. See you soon!